Hi guys, it's Princess Suzan from Nairobi, Kenya. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, you're very much welcome. So for the guys who have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button and don't forget to watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe. So guys, today I'm here at the Giraffe Center. I want to see what they will offer. So I hope you guys you're going to enjoy with me as we go. Yeah. So guys, I'm finally here. I took a bus and it dropped me here, so I need to walk to the center. I don't know. Yeah. I am going to see the giraffe, guys, this beautiful Sunday. Yay! Let's go. So guys, before I enter the Giraffe Center, let me do the nature trail first. Let's go. So let's do a nature trail, guys. I hope you will love this trail. I'm excited. Let's go. Guys, the trail stretches about 1.5 kilometers through thick bushes and forests. The stroll begins directly in front of the parking lot at the Giraffe Center. So let's go, guys.
A walk in the park.
Yeah, that's you have said it.
They will lead us back. You cannot do anything wrong.
It's so silent, it's so peaceful. But I'm scared. I hope you don't find a snake.
We would actually even be lucky to find a snake. I don't think we would.
Oh, don't say. Please don't say something like that. Lucky. So guys, the activities here are the nature walk, bird walks, tree identification walk, nature interactive learning. They offer learning experience to the students who will come here to know or learn more about the trees. Oh guys, oh, I really don't know about this. I'm very sensitive, I'm very scared at the same time. But this is not a good weather. Mama, is it a good weather? I'm scared. Guys, I don't know where we are going. But this is nice, it's peaceful. Guys, this is nice. Yes, I can hear the river. Oh goodness, I would truly love to enjoy this thing, but oh, I'm not a fanatic. The other side, yeah, I can see the river from here, from there. You see, there's the river. Oh guys, this is so sweet, but I'm scared of snakes. What if they're up there or down below? Oh, cho.
We're going to the right.
This side.
No, to the right.
This one.
Wait, maybe we can cross, yeah. I don't think this is the right way. I think there will be another way to cross.
Oh, listen to the birds. Oh. Hi. So guys, we are trying to find the peak, so we have to walk and hike until we reach there. I'm not good with hike. I'm so tired, guys. Guys, this is so worth it. It's so silent here. The birds are... Can you hear the sound of the birds? Ah, we just left the river. So right now, this is so peaceful. This is so good. Walking here is just the best medicine ever. But I'm not used to this. I'm very scared. But it is nice. So guys, take a bus number 24, come to Giraffe Centre and then feed the giraffe, and then just take a trail here and just get to enjoy this peaceful place. This forest is one of the few remnants of the types of forests which cover most of Nairobi. So the guide trail include the map, and then we have the checklist available at the giraffe centers, and then we have the trail markers. So the wide variety of flora and fauna make the forest an ideal habitat for various animals including giraffe, hyena, butterflies, and many other, and even the birds. Let's go, guys. We are going. We're still on this, and I'm enjoying myself, guys. As usual, I'm breathing very hard, guys. That's why I usually say I'm not good with hiking. But I'm okay. This is really worth it. Oh, guys. By the way, guys, the Giraffe Centre was founded by Betty and Jock Leslie in 1979. They are the one who discovered the sad plight of the Rothschild Giraffe, and so they brought the two young giraffes at their place in Langata. Guys, look at that view. Still breathing so hard, guys. Just how did you know we are here?
How?
Very good.
Look, and there's wind energy.
Yes. Goodness. Oh. But I really have to breathe. And I'm not pretending. I'm not used.
You have to do more exercise, Suzan.
Yes, I'm very lazy. Oh, I am so lazy. Congratulations to me, I made it to the viewpoint. Yeah, hooray! Oh, that was so hard for me. Yeah, but I like that. It looks simple. You're just walking and then you find yourself on top. Oh, this is so nice. I love it. I did it. I finally did it. I don't know. That was a long walk. Nature walk. It was beautiful. Oh goodness, guys, I'm so super excited. It is feeding time. Oh, cha 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 cha. Oh. Charges are here below. As you can see, for citizen it is 400 Kenyan shilling, for a baby it's 200, for non-resident it's 1,500 Kenyan shilling. Today I'm here at the Giraffe Centre. I want to see what they will offer, so I hope you guys are going to enjoy with me as we go. Yeah. So guys, immediately you enter, you see this. This is nice. Yeah. There we go, guys. Do you see them? Oh, this is so nice. Hi, beauty. Hi. Yes. Ah, thank you.
When we feed the giraffe one pellet.
Okay.
Yeah, so you can just place it on the giraffe. Karibu sana.
See. So unasema ni unachukua moja?
Then namwekea kolini. Ni mix of cereal pellets and Lucerne pellets. It's like a treat to the giraffe.
Okay, thank you. Her name is Kelly's?
Yeah.
She's crazy.
Yes. Oh. So I can't do like this?
You can, but they'll slime you a bit. So you like
Thank you.
Hi.
No. Ni moga? Once more. Thank you. Hi. This is so nice. You can give him many more, ama ni kadogo tu.
Just one at a time.
Because it's like kuna wengine wanakaa. Want more? Let me show you. Atatembea hata ukiniona nikifanya hivyo. So guys, we are here at the Giraffe Centre. Do you love it? I just love this. Oh, this is so nice. So guys, as I said earlier, this Giraffe Centre was formed by Jock and Betty in 1979. They brought two Rothschild Giraffe, young giraffe at their property in Langata, and there later on they started a fund to raise the young giraffe which are left orphaned. So guys, here we are at this place so that I can be able to show you how it is going on. So I'm thankful for this opportunity to come here, and in this place you can be able to learn more things. So guys, kindly visit. It is located in Langata. It was established in order to protect endangered species of giraffe found only in the grassland of East Africa. What? Ndo Daisy? Yeah? Oh, Daisy ndo najua ni mkali. Hata huyo? So guys, what do you think? If you love the video, kindly comment below. I just love this. This is so nice.
Yeah.
And she's very hungry, this giraffe.
This one, yeah?
Yeah. We go? So thank you guys for watching the video till far. If you love the video, kindly comment below, give a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe.